So this is my new electronic parts sort of thing. I made additions to it from certain things I did the last time, but attach the battery to this.
I guess you can join up with us if you want. Yeah, we're gonna go to the graveyard and tell them about death and how pointless life is.
So we got 3 separate lights coming on. Special about this green light over here. It comes with a switch. Turn it off. See? Turn it off. Turn it back on. And then, once this green light is on, you press these buttons, turn on a yellow light, and another green light. But also, turn both on at the same time, which you can see. I can also turn on another switch. Turns on this red light. What's special about this red light is uses this special component that jacks up the brightness or turns it down due to the amount of light to it. So do this, get it less dimmer. And if I turn up the brightness, give it more light, it's going to get brighter. But there we go. These right here, I use a special chip. I try to use some capacitors in there. Didn't work. And then this blue light here works off a little turn knob. It gets dimmer and then a little brighter, dimmer again, brighter again. And it all works off one battery. About 2 resistors, I believe. Yes, 2 resistors and 2 resistors. There's 6 lights, 1 photoresistor, 1 potentiometer, 2 buttons, and 2 switches. So, you know, yeah, go electronics. Oop. Yeah, go electronics. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, and join GamersGenerationX for more videos.